in America, we don't have a system where it's easy to go to a website and find the best resume, or find the best experience, or find the best lawyer.
Most people aren't even attempting to do that. They're relying on the attorney relationship they have to hope that person can put on a different hat.
But the question is, do they really understand what that case is all about?
Are you in the right place? Are you in the right jurisdiction? Getting access to any good professional. It's still difficult today.
Right now, there isn't a holistic ecosystem solution that works for everybody or works very well.
I think they go, I've got somebody that's an attorney and I'm going to take them this and have them look at it. Well, what kind of attorney are they?
And ultimately, it can be a bit of a lottery.
I mean, they're basically committing malpractice by representing the expertise that they don't have.
How do we validate an expert?
Legal discipline broadly needs assistance in comprehending the role of expertise.
That can be validated. It can be done.
We already know there are people who are waiting and clamoring for something like this, so then how do we build it?
Trial work or legal work, especially when negotiation comes into play, is part art and part science.
And there is an art to how you design contracts, how you bring people together and create compromise and design legal documents and or legal solutions that work for the parties involved, because they don't always have alignment.
How do you create a system which wins for everybody?
So how do you build a place where consumers, businesses can find lightning quick niche access, and it's trusted, and be able to compare others?
I don't think anyone has done a great job at the interface of that technology and the use of AI, because we haven't seen that yet.
The public is using AI solutions more and more as we progress.
There are great law firms, sometimes sole practitioners, who are simply unknown, and yet they have the perfect credentials.
And is using them more and more judiciously and intelligently.
Honestly, the people that are getting the ranking are the ones that are paying the most money to the directories.
What sets this platform apart is its capability to match the appropriate expert with the right case.
Our goal is to help all these experts, all these attorneys, and all these law firms achieve the recognition they deserve.
It's highlighting niche experts and making sure that they're at the forefront.
You have to find a lawyer you trust, someone that's done this before.
There's already stress on the situation.
There's got to be a better search process.
You want to be able to use a product that allows an ease of use.
There's got to be a better AI process.
Provides good feedback to the client and what they're searching for.
There's got to be a better user process.
If you have a big community, then that increases the odds of success in what you need for your unique interests.
And I believe that AI, in all senses that we're talking about, is going to help us get a better product, more predictable outcome, much faster.
An AI-enhanced way of doing things could become an advocate for expertise.
I do think that's probably where the positive outcomes are headed. I'd be very surprised if there aren't people working on that already, in fact.
If you can bring together the AI within that online directory.
Here are the potential types of issues that might be this kind of range, and you ought to be using this kind of an expert.
And marry the resource savings.
What is the cost value ratio?
Data-driven return on investment proof.
I could design an expert model that could predict the value of every case.
Up-to-date and relevant profiles and the evaluation of prior case testimony. And I think you really have magic for putting together a platform that'll work for law firms and lawyers.
Anything anyone can do to condense that and make it easy, I think you're onto something that could be a winner.
So I think we need to be thoughtful about removing some of those obstacles in the legal industry.
In order to give clients a platform to have the accessibility to the most information possible, they need a platform such as legalexperts.ai to have access to information that is timely, it is relevant, it is just available to them as quickly as a Google search.
This really is the evolution in the legal industry, the next evolution.
The many voices in my head are arguing right now as to whether I should say this. People end up getting billed huge amounts of money. One of our rules of zealous advocacy should be modified. It should say zealously advocate, but not at the expense of your client.